Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are gonna make the third part of the series, which is going to be a cross journal. So I have a drawing for that. If you want that drawing, you can check out our Instagram channel. You can find the drawing there and download it. So now let's get started. So now I am going to make this profile. So I have, this is 23.80. So I'm going to make this half and I will revolve it around the axis. Minimize this. Select the right plane, go to sketch, click on sketch view. Now in there, take a line, make a profile like this. Now give each and every dimensions, which is going to be, this is going to be 23.80, half of 23.80. This is going to be 11.9 and this is 61.3. So this is 11.9 and okay, first give this one. This is 13, that is 10. This is 30 and take a dimension from this to this is 10. Nice. Same for that, 11.9, 13, 10, 10 is fine. So 11.9 and this is 13. Now this whole dimension is 61.3. From this to this 61.3. Now what will be the half of 61.3? 61.3 divided by 2, 30.65. So from this to this is going to be 30.65. So that's how this is going to be done. Take a line again, close this profile. Now click on OK. Now select the revolve, select this line. This is fine, click on OK. Now that is fine. Make it shading with edges. Now go to this plane, click on sketch view, same thing again, take a line there, that. Again, what was this? 11.9, no? 11.9, 13, 20. Sorry, 10. This is going to be 10. And that one is 61.306. and this is 30.65. Take a line again, join this. That's it. Click on OK. Go to revolve, select this edge, click on OK. Now select the flat. This one is going to be 5, and this, first of all, this one is 0.5, this one is 1.90 and 1.90. Round 0.5. Cancel it again, do it. On 0.5, select these edges. Is it insides too? Not insides. Inside is that one, and that is 1.90. 1.90. And another one is radius 5. So now this part is completed. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.